With the fall frost fast approaching, here are 4 things you must do to your garden, right now. Number 1. Harvest. Harvest any remaining produce on your plants, even if they are not fully ripe. This ensures squirrels and frost won't damage your produce. Also, harvest any seeds that are produced. Number 2. Remove plants. Remove any dead, dying or annual plants. Diseased plants should be disposed, while the rest can be composted. Number 3. Bring plants indoors. The only plants that should be brought inside are tropical plants, succulents, and plants that live for multiple of years, such as peppers or herbs. Those plants can be left outdoors, until temps go below 10 to 13 degrees Celsius. Make sure to look carefully for bugs hiding in the plants or pots, so you don't bring any indoors. Number 4. Plant. Some plants, such as onions, garlic, native tree seeds, and flower bulbs, require a couple of cold months in order to sprout properly. Plant those things right now, and they will sprout in spring.